Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you these special flash drives from VACKIIT. These flash drives were designed special to work with Apple devices, iPhones, iPads and iPods with Lightning port. They were kindly enough to send me 2 units, so today I'm gonna test and see how and if it really works. These are both 256GB models, which is pretty good with plenty of space for a flash drive. Now let's take a look on the inside of the box, and also later I wanna compare it with the normal USB 2.0 flash drive for a speed comparison. So join me and let's try it. Looks like we got a USB-C adapter, so in fact we can use this in later iPhones and also all USB equipped devices like Android phones. We got of course the user guide. Finally the flash drive itself, surprisingly made of metal and heavy. Feels really well made. It has a rotation axle in the center, so you can easily have the USB-A or Lightning port ready to use. So, before we put it to the test, just a couple of main specs of this flash drive. The first and the flag for this product is that they have the MFI certification as an Apple licensed accessory, and of course they have real capacity, and as we all know there are plenty of flash drives around for a couple bucks with fake capacities. The flash drive is pretty much compatible with every single file type. There's no problem there, I think. Concerning the speed, another important thing, we should get 10 to 30 megabits of reading and 10 to 15 megabits of writing in the Lightning connector, and 30 to 80 megabits of reading and 15 to 35 megabits of writing on the USB 3.0 connector. Not bad. As I said earlier, with the USB-C adapter, this flash drive is compatible with pretty much every Apple devices, Android phones and computers too. This software also supports Touch ID, Face ID or PIN security for all of the files copied to the flash drive. Now let's do some testing. The first test I want to do is space test. I have the flash drive here. As you can see, it shows the 256GB, no problem there, and I also have a folder with almost 80GB. So I want to copy the folder to the flash drive. I know it's gonna take a while, but my goal here is to see if it takes the 8GB without any problem. And after a while, all went smooth and the folder is copied with no problem, so this part is well succeeded. So the next quick test that I want to do is the 2.0 versus 3.0 speed test. I will copy this 3GB file first into the VACKIIT Flash Drive and then to the Kingston 2.0 flash drive and compare the results. With the VACKIIT the file took just over 4 minutes. On the Kingston, on the same 4 minutes, it just copied 1GB. So I ended up the test and we can clearly see this is a real 3.0 flash drive from VACKIIT. Now for the proper test, this time on the iPhone. So insert the flash drive and then you need to download the app called iXtend Plus from the App Store. And then after you install the app, you're pretty much ready to use the flash drive. Pretty simple. Once you open the app, you have these 4 icons on the home screen. The photo icon, which is the photos folder from your phone. You will need to allow the app to access the folder. You have another to access the internal folder of your phone. Contact icons where you can do a backup of your contacts. And for the last, the external storage icon where you can have access to the flash drive itself. So now let's do some testing and try copy some data to the flash drive. So now let's open up the app, select a couple of pictures, click on the copy icon, select external storage, which is our VACKIIT flash drive, and copy here. Now we wait, and as you can see it's pretty fast, works pretty well. Now if you check the external storage, we should see the pictures that we copied, and there they are. Now, the final test I want to perform is the contact backup, which is pretty handy. I want to see how it works and how long it takes. You need to allow permission to the app to access your contact first, of course, and then just use the backup icon and you can see in a matter of seconds 555 contacts were backed up. If you want to check or back up the backup file, it was stored on the external storage inside the TDB memory folder. In the end, simply remove it from your phone, flip it to USB-A, and you can have access to all the informations on your computer. Simple as that. So, what is my final conclusion? It is quite expensive for a flash drive, maybe, but if we think that this have MFI certification, real space, it is real well made, have a simple software, so it's really easy to use, the value maybe be less important than we think. Transform your phone, iPad or whatever with an extra 128, 256 or even 512 gigabytes of extra space can be very important, especially if you take a lot of photos, you love a lot of music. So this is definitely a good choice. I really like it and I'm definitely gonna use it a lot. So if you are interested and wanna buy one of these, I leave you the link in the description below, and also a 5% discount code too. And for me, that's all for today. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.